What's Daddy's car called?
Durango.
Nice. And what kind of engine's inside?
A Honey.
Nice. What's up, everybody? We're back. It is a beautiful Saturday afternoon here. About to pick up some supplies for a party tomorrow. Get some beer. But on the way, why not go for a little spirited drive? We got a nice sounding throaty V8, all-wheel drive, the SRT suspension with the adaptive Bilstein dampers, some 6-piston Brembos, some big fat tires on all 4 corners. So let's see if we can't have a little fun. You know, as you get older, you can't always have a sporty car and a family car. So one of the benefits here of the tow and go package, you kind of combine them into one for little moments like this. So we're gonna put it in track mode for this drive. Ooh, holds the revs nice. It's just doing it on its own. I don't know if you can hear it in the audio there. And also I'll set the performance pages so we get a little G-forces. Have a little fun there. Looks like right now left and right peak G's were 0.65 and 0.68. So curious what happens here after we drive. I'll tell you, this the initial turn in on the steering feel, track mode is legit. I think it's probably better than my Corvette. Suspension's definitely a little bouncier, much firmer. Definitely wanted to understeer a little bit. You can definitely feel the weight of it in the turns, but you can feel the suspension set, and it turns. There's no reason a large vehicle this size should do that this well. So that was fun, and I'm going to go ahead and put the GoPro on the outside of the car, see what kind of driving shots we can get there, and take another pass at it before going to run my errands. But before we do that, just a quick reminder, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. But anyway, yeah, let's get on with it again. .81 and .88. Not too shabby. Oh man, I love this truck. That was fun. Little E46 M3 came into play as well. Stumbled across them. They are having some fun too. Always good to see the motoring spirit alive and well in person and not just a concept on the internet. Yeah. Not a bad little intermission in between grocery getting. Again, if you want to consider subscribing, I'd appreciate it. And have a good day. See ya.